Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about a mega township project in North Bangalore. The name of this project is Embassy Verde, developed by the Embassy Group and located within the iconic Embassy Spring Township in Devanahalli. In this video, we will talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. So Embassy Verde is the part of the massive 288-acre Embassy Spring Township, which is located in Devanahalli, North Bangalore, close to Airport Road. It's a mixed-use integrated township, which means you get a complete ecosystem here, including apartments, villas, plots, along with the senior living spaces, the clubhouse and community zones, schools and healthcare facilities, and even office spaces. Within Embassy Verde, you have elegantly designed 1, 2, 2.5 and 3 BHK homes with spacious layout and modern planning. The homes come with the balconies that offer serene township view, and they have designed to suit singles, couples as well as families. And now let's talk about the location advantage. So Embassy Verde is strategically located in Devanahalli, which is a key growth corridor in North Bangalore, especially for working professionals. In terms of connectivity, Kempegowda International Airport is around 12 kilometers away, Shell Technology Center is about 4 kilometers away, Yelhanka is around 17 kilometers, Thanisandra and Hennur are about 18 kilometers away, and Manyata Tech Park is around 20 kilometers away, and Budigiri Cross is also about 20 kilometers away. Devanahalli is rapidly emerging as a future investment hotspot thanks to the ongoing infrastructure developments and its proximity to the airport. Coming to the lifestyle part, so Embassy Verde offers a well-balanced and active lifestyle with a thoughtfully designed amenities. You have a grand arrival plaza, swimming pool, sport court, a pet park, curated clubhouse. All of this comes together to give you a resort-style living experience within a township environment. Now let's take a look at the configuration and pricing. So the project offers multiple options. The 1 BHK units range from 601 to 663 square feet, priced between 61 lakh rupees to 71 lakh rupees. The 2 BHK units are around 946 to 948 square feet, priced between 91 to 98 lakh rupees. 2.5 BHK units are around 1108 square feet, priced between 1.05 to 1.13 crore rupees onwards, and the 3 BHK units range from 1274 to 1344 square feet, priced between 1.21 to 1.37 crore rupees onwards. Now, from an investment point of view, North Bangalore, especially Devanahalli, is one of the fastest growing real estate corridor right now. The key reasons include proximity to the airport, upcoming infrastructure project, expansion of IT and business hub, and the strong future appreciation potential. Embassy Verde is a great option for first-time home buyers, investors looking for long-term growth, and even for rental income potential, as future demand in this area is expected to increase. So if you would like the brochure, floor plans, latest offers, or want to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. Our NRI clients from US, UK, UAE, Europe, and Singapore can also connect with us through the same link for virtual presentation. And if you enjoy watching premium township and investment focused properties videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.